Imagine you wake up after a good sleep and then you check on your bank balance and you have made over $1,000 while sleeping. You will think that it is just a dream. How will I earn money while sleeping? Well, I will tell you that it is possible and anyone can do this. In order to earn passive income, first, we need to know what exactly passive income is. According to Google, passive income is money you can earn with little effort and without working a traditional job. The first method to earn passive income is by selling digital products and services. Digital products are intangible items that exist in digital form. To earn money this way, you need to develop a skill that companies need. Some of the popular services are video editing, AI image generation, and logo design. Once you learn a skill, you need to master it. The best way to master your skills are by doing freelance work. Some of the best platforms to start freelancing are Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. This way, you can get the attention of clients as well as improve yourself. After you master your skills, you can create a course or a guide about what you have learned, then can make a video course or sell an ebook about the skills you have mastered. Every time someone purchases your course, you will earn some profit. This way, you can make an unlimited amount of money. The next question that comes to mind is how you can make people buy your course or digital product. The best way is by using YouTube. This brings us to the next method to earn passive income. That is by making faceless YouTube channel. The great thing about using YouTube is that you don't have to show your face. You can remain faceless and still promote your products and earn through YouTube Partner Program. After creating a YouTube channel, try to build an audience that loves your work. Then you can ask them to buy digital products from you. You don't have to learn a new skill for this. You can simply put an affiliate link in the description and let your audience buy your course or digital products. Another way to promote your products faster is by creating short-form content from your long-form videos and publishing them on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to diversify your audience. This way, you can easily earn passive income while sleeping